Okay, doing a full throttle deal. 7mm bolts on the change the plugs out on this. A 2007 Ford Explorer, and you gotta pull. There's a 7mm bolt that holds the crap here. But anyway, you pull that out, pull the plugs out, replace them. I'm replacing them with Idolite high thread count. They're $5 a piece. Those cost me $100 out of pocket. So these are I'm not going to replace those. I mean, it is what it is. So those are $50 a pop. So anyway, just showing you. And it's just pulling them out, and it takes a 9/16 wrench. So do that, fix it up, take care of business. So